Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker EDIFIER D32 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the third line we have a button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave your speaker at the device list so you can reconnect it in the future if your speaker turn on and do not connect it with another device. And if you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your iPhone. So if you need this, you need to click at the Forget this device button. But let's disconnect it, so disconnect. And as I said, I stopped Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list and I can easily reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!